Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another TikTok eye makeup trend. This one is going to be the counterpart to Siren Eyes that I did a couple weeks ago. This one is supposed to be sweeter, more wearable compared to the Siren Eyes, which was a more like sultry cat eye look. And I think it's going to be right up my alley. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. First, I'm going to prime my lids with my favorite eyeshadow primer. Just tap it on right on the center of my eyelid, and then I'm going to disperse that product out just so that I have a thin layer and it's not going to crease.
Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try to.
I want to just set my base a little bit with some translucent powder. Take a big fluffy blending brush and tap a tiny bit of powder on top just to set it. Next, I'm going in and placing down a transition shade. Just around my crease area, I'm going to deepen it up a little bit and blend it out.
Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break.
So with the Siren Eyes, then I kind of went from the middle of my eye and I kind of did a straight line until I got to the outer corner to kind of make it smoky and kind of lift my eye upwards. But for this one, because it's more of like a doe eye look, it's going to be more rounded. I take my brush, I only stamp a little bit of color just on the very edge, and then I'm going to start in the middle of my eye. And I'm going to follow it so that it's rounded, and I'm going to do that all the way until I get to the outer corner, and then follow that downward so that the curvature kind of continues to the bottom lash line too. Now I'm going to take a darker color and I'm going to stamp that around my lash line. And I'm just going to take a tiny little blending brush and just blend that line out a little bit. Now I'm going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm just going to take an angled brush to start out with and then connect the top lash line to the bottom lash line. And I'm probably only going to go in about a third of the way and then smoke that out. I did give my lashes a curl and that kind of took off some of that eyeshadow, so I'm going to go in with a purple eyeliner and just define that lash line. I'm going to tight line the top and then kind of go over the line that I put down with the eyeshadow just to deepen it up a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take my ring finger and just pop on a sparkly color on the center of my lid. I'm going to go for the more purple color in this palette. And just for a subtle kind of sheen, I'm just going to tap it in the middle. And then I'm going to take a champagne color and just tap that onto my inner corner for inner corner highlight. To balance out the bottom, I'm going to take the transition shade that I initially put down into my crease and just smoke out the bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to do like I always do and just wiggle it at the lash line and just extend it through the length of my lashes. But when I go back, then I just smudge a little bit more right at that lash line so I get a little bit of extra volume. So I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I just scraped off the excess. I'm not going to be doing any foundation, so I'm just going to move straight on to blush. Do my brows this whole time, so I'm going to do my brows now. I'm just going to fill in the tail end and then spoolie it through. For lip, I'm going to go in with the Flower Scribble Stick in Tickle Me Pink. It's pretty much just my lip color. So this is the finished look. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of my look, any ideas that you have for future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!